Krista Nichols, and I'm excited to be coming to your guild to share my passion for Seminole Patchwork with you. If you're not familiar with Seminole Patchwork, here's a little background. This technique was developed by the Seminole Indian tribe of Florida. In the early 1900s, when the sewing machine began appearing in their camps, they would take long strips of fabric, sew them together, cut them into segments, and then sew those segments back together to create intricate designs. These bands were then used as embellishment on clothing and in their handicrafts. I love the bold, intricate designs that you can make using these techniques. You can make a whole quilt using nothing but Seminole bands like I have here, or you can add some of your favorite blocks. They also make great borders on your quilts, and you can add them to your home decor projects and clothing. In my 6-hour Seminole Patchwork Technique workshop, we'll work on 4 to 5 different designs. I'll walk you through the process step by step for each design, and you will also receive instructions for 10 different patterns. By the end of class, you will have learned everything you need to know to make all 10 designs and a few variations. This is a technique class, so you don't need to go out and buy a bunch of supplies. All you need is width of fabric strips and contrasting colors. These designs work best when you use solids, tone-on tones, or small prints that read as solid. You also need a 24-inch ruler with a 60-degree and 45-degree mark. And you might want to treat yourself to a fresh rotary cutter blade because we'll be doing a lot of cutting. I hope you'll join me for this fun day of creativity. I look forward to seeing you.